So yeah, girl, one day I woke up and I said I want to make a Hubba Bubba wreath, and here it is. She's gorgeous. Hey you guys, so we are going to start right away with this fabric. We have a very pretty pink mesh fabric, and what I'm doing is basically doing little folds or scrunching it against each other, if that makes sense. But you want to make sure you get like a wave pattern so that you can get that bubble that we're looking for at the end. And then if you can see what I'm doing now, I am grabbing a pipe cleaner and I am going around the fabric with it just so that I can have the tip of the fabric inside, and tied up real good. And then I'm gonna have the pipe cleaners come around the fabric so that we can tie it up and secure it. And then also we are making the bubble method. So from what I learned, it just looks like half of bowls. So that's what it looks like, a half a bowl. It's so cute. Okay, so once again, we are making sure we get the pipe cleaners around these two wires, the center wires, and then we're able to twist it and make our shape look as good as we want. So we are going at it again and making another piece. Okay guys, so we are continuing this pattern. So what I'm gonna do is try to find you guys some good music, something you can relax to, and then I'll come back and give you some more commentary.
Stop the battle within your soul. You know it's all in your head. Being sad doesn't make you smart. It seems your heart just needs a fresh start.
Alright guys, so we finished putting the mesh around the wireframe, and I really like how it looks so far, so cute. And then now we are going in with our yellow fabric ribbon. So yeah, I wanted to talk about the fabric on this ribbon. It's very thick, very pretty, and it also has a wire. So I really love the fabric that they use for the ribbon, and that's why I call it fabric, because it's just so fabric like and very thick. And then also I made my Hubba Bubba sign with my Cricut maker. If you guys are interested, I'll let you guys know how I made it. But if you have a Cricut, I'm sure you know. And then I wanted to originally put the Hubba Bubba plastics on here, but it wasn't gonna work out. So maybe with a bigger frame I can do this, but not today. So I had to go ahead and print out some little Hubba Bubba signs, and I decided to put some fabric cardstock behind it. I say fabric, oh my goodness, I meant glitter. So I put some glitter cardstock behind it, and it looks cute. It kind of looks like it's supposed to be in the bathroom, but I just love it so much. It's so cute. So we are gonna make a cute bowl for it. I'm not a huge bowl maker, but I'm okay at it. I can do this. So we're doing a little bow, and I ended up just pushing it down as much as I could because I wanted it to be small and dainty. At first I wanted it to be big, but then I'm like, no. This design is already busy, so we kept this small and simple. So I'm gonna be gluing my bow onto my wreath, And then we're almost done. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some music. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm so excited to bring you guys my next wreath. We are gonna make a few of these because I know y'all tired of the cakes and we need a little break. So we're gonna be doing arts and crafts.
Sitting in my throne, trying to get that late view. I'm plugging to the natural. Remind myself of love and life. Could have been